Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was.
Oh, you hear that sound? That is the Nilodhan Falls. Let's go. Over there, that is the Nilodhan Falls. I can't clearly see it because of the trees, but I'm pretty sure we'll see it when we get there. Let's go.
Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
Yes, okay. I am here at the Nilodhan Falls, the famous Nilodhan Falls.
What can you say?
It's really beautiful here. Okay, there are new improvements and I'm really proud of it. I want to dip my feet into the freezing cold water, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. Parkour skills must be at least level 3.
Parkour bitaw mo ko di aron.
No, but I have no idea level 3.
Ayaw na di ayaw.
No way.
Danlog.
It's so much. You see? Okay. I want to swim, but I don't know how to swim. And look at this, rocky. It's so slippery.
Take you there.